Hey everyone, welcome back to Kitchen and Home Review. In this video, we review 20 smart Amazon kitchen gadgets that make cooking effortless. These smart kitchen gadgets will help you cook faster, stay organized, and upgrade your modern home. If you love Amazon product reviews, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more weekly gadget reviews. So friends, let's start the video. Hamilton Beach Electric Hand Mixer. And no more lost beaters. The snap-on storage case that comes with the Hamilton Beach hand mixer neatly holds the two beaters and whisk in one easy-to-find place, reducing the chance that the attachments are lost or misplaced. Easily handles a variety of recipes. With 6 different speed options plus a quick burst button for an extra burst of power when you need it, this electric hand mixer prepares every recipe with ease. Everything you need to start mixing. This hand mixer comes with 2 traditional beaters and a whisk that are dishwasher safe. After mixing, simply press the speed dial to eject the attachments from the mixer without getting your hands messy. Powerful mixing performance. The 250-watt peak power motor provides all the power you need for every mixing job, whether you're adding chocolate chips and nuts to cookie dough or making fluffy whipped cream. Pizza cutter. Introducing the KitchenAid Classic Pizza Wheel, designed to slice through crusts with ease. Its sharp, stainless steel blade cuts smoothly through thick pizzas, flatbreads, pies, quesadillas, and more, no tearing or crushing. The built-in finger guard keeps your hand safely away from the blade, while the soft grip handle gives you control and comfort with every cut. From homemade pizza nights to store-bought slices, this 9-inch cutter is durable, easy to handle, and dishwasher safe for quick cleanup. A must-have kitchen tool for anyone who loves great slices without the struggle. Honey dispenser. Add a touch of elegance to your table with the glass honey dispenser. A stunning blend of style and function. Featuring a chrome-plated ABS lid and stainless steel shaft, this no-drip design lets you pour honey or maple syrup with perfect control. The beautiful honeycomb glass body holds up to 8 ounces and sits gracefully on its matching stand, keeping your countertop clean and classy. Sweet, sleek, and effortless. The glass honey dispenser turns every drizzle into a golden moment of perfection. G-Del Food Chopper. Reduce prep time. The food chopper is equipped with stainless steel blades which make faster chopping, dicing, and grinding than a knife. Use the onion chopper directly on your cutting board or included base to get your prep food with less time. Zero risk of injury. Simply slap the vegetable chopper to get quickly chopping in the garlic and onions in seconds. No more getting hurt by touching the blades. Easy cleaning. The hand food chopper is easy disassembling for speedy cleanup. Simply finish cleaning under running water in 30 seconds. Also top rack dishwasher safe. Easy to use. This vegetable chopper is made of premium materials and can be used with confidence. The garlic chopper comes with an instruction manual. You can easily master it whether you are an expert cook or a novice in the kitchen. Hand blender. No more lumpy chunks. Equipped with a strength 1100W full copper motor, providing for several times significantly stronger blending and chopping capabilities in seconds to create velvety smooth puree results. Easy to use variable speed trigger design. With a pulse-activated sensor, just follow your intuition to control over the recipe and reduce splattering. Getting a switch from low to high speed quickly for easy pureeing, emulsifying, or whipping with just one touch. Effortless cleanup, scratch-free. Features a unique food-grade nylon blade guard designed to minimize suction, preventing scratches on your pots and pans and keeping splashes at bay for a cleaner kitchen and hassle-free cleanup. Comfort at its best. Stylish and ergonomic grip offers a non-slip and comfortable grip when continuously blending ingredients. A perfect gift for mom, grandparents, camper, or all the food lovers on housewarming parties, weddings, birthdays, Thanksgiving Day, and Christmas. Elite Gourmet Egg Cooker. 7-egg capacity. Cook up to 7 eggs in soft, medium, or hard-boiled firmness while saving time and water. Eggs come out consistently perfect, shell is easy to peel, and cleanup is simple. Ease of use. Fill pre-marked measuring cup with water to desired doneness, add to the cooking plate, press the power switch, and within minutes your eggs will be excellent. Fun and simple to use for the entire family. The auto shut-off function gets it right every time, and it's faster than conventional stovetop methods. Versatility. Whether pairing with avocado toast or preparing deviled eggs, the Elite Gourmet Easy Egg Cooker is an all-in-one egg boiler, veggie or food steamer, and more. Compact space-saving design. Perfect as a back-to-school gift for dorms, apartments, RVs, or the office. Compact and lightweight. It easily fits into drawers for storage or just leave out on the counter as a fun and colorful accent to any home kitchen. Bring people together with the Cassini electric fondue pot set, the perfect way to turn any night into something special. This chocolate fondue kit features easy temperature control for smooth, melted chocolate every time. Detachable serving trays keep fruits, treats, and snacks organized, while 4 roasting forks make sharing simple and fun. Ideal as a gift set or date night idea, it's perfect for movie nights, game nights, or anytime you want to serve smiles. Upgrade your kitchen with the Ninja DCT 45112 in one smart double oven, designed for maximum versatility and convenience. The innovative flex door lets you access the top or full oven easily, while smart finish and a built-in thermometer ensure perfect results every time. Enjoy rapid top convection and powerful air frying on the bottom for crispy, flavorful meals. With FlavorSeal technology and a sleek stainless steel design, this oven delivers professional cooking at home. Electric Hot Pot. Multifunction electric pot. Uliki Hot Pot Electric is equipped with dual power regulation functions, 300W and 600W. You can choose the desired power freely. At 300W power, the rapid ramen cooker is perfect to make oatmeal, spaghetti, and eggs. When you cook soup or hot pot, you can switch to the high power of 600W. The Shabu Shabu pot can provide you with a variety of choices for your daily meals. Easy to clean and non-stick coating. The surface of the noodle cooker is made of a food-grade non-stick coating, which can keep food from sticking, which can cook healthy food with less oil. After cooking, the surface of the portable electric hot pot can be easily cleaned with water and a sponge to meet all your expectations of deliciousness. Egg slicer. Stainless steel wire. Egg slicer wires made sturdy stainless steel with sturdy, tensioned wires that can slice through eggs cleanly without bending or breaking. Ergonomic design. Egg cutter made of high-quality aluminum alloy for the base and handle are durable and rust-resistant. Ergonomic handles provide a comfortable grip. Non-slip bases keep the slicer stable during use. Ease of use. Egg slicer with a perfect egg slot. Just drop the egg, and with one click you get neat slices. Not just eggs, but also other soft foods like strawberries, mushrooms, banana, butter, and soft cheeses. Easy to clean. Hollow base design. Food residue is very easy to remove. Dishwasher safe or clean with light rubbing. Dish soap and a rinse of water. Convenient and easy to clean. Service. If you have any problems, please feel free to contact us. We will reply in 24 hours. Astercook Pots and Pans Set. High-performance non-stick coating equipped with a premium non-stick coating. Our pots and pans offer exceptional durability and performance. Easy to clean and free from harmful chemicals like PFOA, it ensures a healthier cooking experience. Secure removable handle cookware set features a cutting-edge removable handle with a secure locking mechanism. This ensures a stable and reliable grip during cooking, so you can cook with confidence every time. Convenient storage and cleaning. The detachable handle design saves valuable storage space and simplifies cleanup. Easily remove the handle for a quick and thorough wash, keeping your cookware and kitchen spotless. Versatile compatibility pots and pan sets are suitable for a wide range of heat sources, including induction, gas, and ceramic hobs. Ensure that the cookware sets are uniformly heated in a stable and efficient manner under all cooking conditions. Make healthy snacks at home with this powerful food dehydrator for jerky, fruits, and more. It features precise temperature control up to 176 degrees Fahrenheit, letting you dry meat, veggies, and dog treats safely and evenly. With 5 durable stainless steel trays for easy presets and a 48-hour timer, drying is simple and hands-free. Perfect for homemade snacks, this dehydrator also includes a helpful recipe book to get you started right away. Air fryer. Innovative TurboBlaze technology delivers a powerful 3,600 RPM fan speed and temperatures up to 450 degrees Fahrenheit, achieving beyond crispy, juicy perfection in every main dish. Advanced airflow and precise temperature control deliver evenly cooked side dishes with perfectly balanced texture in every bite. Kosaurus' unique 5-fan speed system and precise 90 to 450 degrees Fahrenheit temperature control deliver professional-grade versatility, creating exceptional dishes across all functions with just one basket. Enjoy the same crispy textures as traditional deep frying with up to 95% less oil. Enjoy all your favorite fried foods without the guilt. Included user manual, chef-created 30-recipe cookbook with pictures, cooking charts. Please be sure to check before discarding the box so you don't miss out on these helpful resources. Measure with confidence using the Atexity Digital Kitchen Scale, perfect for weight loss, baking, and everyday cooking. It provides accurate readings in grams and ounces, making keto and meal prep simple and precise. The clear LCD display is easy to read, while the durable 304 stainless steel surface is sleek and easy to clean. Compact and reliable, this scale is a must-have for a healthier, more organized kitchen. Adjustable Mandolin Food Slicer. Adjustable Mandolin Slicer. This mandolin slicer has an adjustable blade that allows you to slice different fruits and vegetables with ease. Dishwasher safe. The slicer is made of durable stainless steel and is dishwasher safe for easy cleaning. Swap cutting modes. The slicer has a dial that allows you to easily switch between different cutting modes like slicing, dicing, and julienne. Cut-resistant gloves. The slicer comes with one pair of cut-resistant gloves to protect your hands while slicing. Versatile kitchen tool. This mandolin slicer is a versatile kitchen tool that can be used to slice a variety of fruits and vegetables like potatoes, tomatoes, carrots, and onions. Air fryer basket for oven. Transform your oven into an air fryer with the Openness large air fryer basket and tray set. Measuring 15.6 by 11.6 inches, this stainless steel basket gives you extra space for baking, grilling, and crisping your favorite foods. The elevated mesh design lets hot air circulate evenly, delivering that perfect golden crunch. No flipping needed. It also includes 30 parchment papers to prevent sticking and make cleanup effortless. Ideal for fries, chicken wings, veggies, and more. This oven air fryer basket and tray combo is your all-in-one solution for healthy, crispy cooking at home. Cook smarter with Openness. Cooking torch. Safe sturdy cream brulee torch. The safety lock could prevent accidental ignition. Also, the ergonomic design provides comfort to your hand and keep away from the flame. The aluminum alloy material adopted makes it more resistant and sturdy. Refillable portable. This butane torch lighter can be refilled after running out of use. With 3 butane adapters included, it's compatible with all types of butane tanks, whether with long or short nozzle. This mini butane torch is small and lightweight, easy to hold. Butane gas not included. Versatile. You can easily control the flame temperature according to your needs. Max 1,371 degrees Celsius per 2,500 degrees Fahrenheit. Such as caramelizing food, soldering DIY jewelry, cooking, barbecue, baking, brulee, cream, DIY soldering, bar cocktails, camping, and craft. Electric sandwich maker. Hot sandwiches in minutes. Save your time in the morning and make healthy and perfectly toasted gourmet press sandwiches. You can also quickly cook other meals like omelets and French toast. Simple, efficient, made of heat-resistant stainless steel with a fast heating element that provides even toasting. The power indicator light will let you know when the unit is on, while the preheat light lets you know when it's ready to cook. Hassle-free cleaning. The non-stick coating ensures effortless food release without bruising the bread and easier cleanup. Simply wipe with a clean, damp cloth once they've cooled. Maximum safety. The Cool Touch locking handle allows heat to dissipate, preventing heating up and ensuring safe operation. Has anti-skid feet to prevent accidents. Mixing bowls. Upgrade your kitchen with the ultimate all-in-one mixing bowl set. This 26-piece stainless steel mixing bowl set with airtight lids has everything you need for mixing, prepping, grating, and serving, all in one stylish khaki design. You'll get 6 different bowl sizes, 7, 4, 2.5, 2.0, 1.5, and 1 quart, perfect for everything from tossing salads to whipping batter. Each bowl comes with a tight seal lid to keep your food fresh, plus greater attachments that make slicing and prepping effortless. The non-slip silicone bottoms keep the bowls steady while you mix, and the stainless steel finish adds a modern touch to your kitchen. Whether you're baking, meal prepping, or serving guests, this mixing bowl set brings convenience, organization, and style to every cooking experience. Transform your cooking with the Chef Robot's Smart Food Processor Ultra Cook, an all-in-one automatic cooking machine designed to save time and effort. With a 3.5-liter capacity, built-in scale, and a bright 7-inch TFT screen, it guides you step by step through over 600 online recipes. This multifunctional appliance chops, cooks, steams, and more, all with precision. Plus, the self-cleaning function makes cleanup quick and easy, perfect for modern kitchens. Keep your microwave clean with the Tavolo Medium Microwave Splatter Cover. Made from BPA-free, heat-resistant silicone, it features vented holes to release steam and prevent soggy food. The collapsible design saves storage space, while the built-in handle makes lifting easy and safe. Perfect for meal prep and everyday reheating, this splatter guard protects your microwave and your food at the same time. Create delicious frozen treats at home with the Ninja NC3, a 1CRME ice cream maker. It makes ice cream, gelato, sorbet, milkshakes, and smoothie bowls with ease using 7 one-touch programs. The compact design fits perfectly in any kitchen and is simple enough for kids to use. With 2-pint containers and lids included, you can make, store, and enjoy your favorite flavors anytime. Upgrade your kitchen with this 4-in-1 colander with bowl set. Perfect for washing rice, pasta, fruits, and vegetables, it works as a strainer, cleaner, and serving bowl in one. Stylish, durable, and easy to use, it's an aesthetic cooking essential and a thoughtful gift for any modern kitchen. Make fresh prep quick and easy with the Cuisinart 3-quart salad spinner. Designed to wash, spin, and dry salad greens, fruits, and vegetables in one simple tool, it removes excess water fast for crisp results. The smooth spinning action is easy to use and perfect for everyday meals. Compact yet efficient, it's a must-have kitchen essential for healthier, fresher cooking.